In this video, we will show you some common troubleshooting steps when weather information is not displaying on your weather widget found on your compatible Garmin device. For help setting up weather on your Garmin device, see our FAQ linked on screen now or in the description. Weather information is only available when connected to a compatible smartphone using the Garmin Connect app. If weather information is missing or not updated, you may see one of the following messages when viewing the weather widget. You can try each of the following troubleshooting steps to resolve issues with missing weather data. First, power off your smartphone and Garmin device and then turn them back on. Next, confirm that your Garmin device is paired and connected to the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. Open the Garmin Connect app and ensure there is a green dot on the device icon at the top. You will also need to ensure that the Garmin Connect app is open and running in the background on your smartphone. Force closing the app will result in missing weather data. If your device still isn't updating weather information after confirming that it is connected to your smartphone, try acquiring a GPS signal by stepping outside and starting a GPS activity timer. Most watches require that your location permissions are enabled in the Garmin Connect app. To enable location permissions on an Apple iPhone, start by opening the Settings app and selecting Privacy and Security. Then select Location Services and toggle the setting to On if needed. Then select Connect. Ensure that Allow Location Access is set to Always. For optimal results, enable Precise Location. After making these changes, we recommend powering off your smartphone and Garmin device once more. Once powered back on, open the Garmin Connect app to sync your device. If you have an Android smartphone, you can enable the location permission by opening the Garmin Connect app and then accessing the menu by selecting More in the bottom right. Then select Settings, followed by Phone Permissions. Then select Manage Permissions, followed by selecting Permissions. Now select Location. Then select Allow all the time. If this is not an option for your Android smartphone, toggle Location to On. For optimal results, enable Precise Location if available. After making these changes, we recommend powering off your smartphone and Garmin device once more. Once powered back on, open the Garmin Connect app to sync your device. By following these troubleshooting steps and ensuring location permissions are enabled, the weather information should update and display on your device. For more help, visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.